Alright, so in this video we are going to be looking at finding the individual angles in a polygon. Now before we delve properly into this topic, there's something you need to know, and that is regular polygon. Now what is a regular polygon? Now a regular polygon is a polygon in which all the angles are equal. All the angles in a regular polygon are equal, so it has equal angles. Now what that means is, for example, if I have a square, if this place is 90 degrees, that means this place is 90 degrees, and this place is 90 degrees, and this place is 90 degrees. Do you understand? Now let's delve properly into the topic of today by taking an example. Alright, we are told to calculate the size of the individual angles in a regular triangle. Now this is super easy. Now the first thing you want to remember is how a triangle looks like. So a triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. Now so you know that n equals to 3. Now the next thing you want to do is to find the sum of interior angles in a triangle. I know you know how to do that. Let's do that somewhere here. So the formula for sum of interior angles in a triangle is n minus 2 times 180. Now we know that n equals to 3. So sum of interior angle equals to 3 minus 2 times 180. Then sum of interior angles equals to 3 minus 2 is 1. So I have 1 times 180, which means that sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Can you see that? So the sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, but I'm told to find the individual angle. Now look at this. If I have a triangle, and remember it's a regular triangle, so all the angles are equal, so I can represent the angles as x. So let's say if this is x, this place is x, this place is x. Now since I know the sum of angles in a triangle, it means if I add these angles together, I should get 180 degrees. So what that means is that if I have x plus x plus x, I should get 180 degrees. Does that make sense? X plus x is 2s, 2x plus x is 3x, so 3x equals to 180 degrees. Now divide both sides by 3. It means that x equals to, remember, 3 here 1, 3 here 1, that's how I got x. Then I have 3 here 1, 3 in 18 is 6, 3 in 0 is 0, so I have x equals to 60 degrees. Does that make sense? So this implies that the individual angles in a regular triangle is 60 degrees. When you have a question like this, the first thing you want to do is to find the sum of interior angles. Now as soon as you find the sum of interior angles, you can now add the angles and equate it to the sum of interior angles. If it's a polygon with 5 sides, so that means you'll be having 5x equals to the sum of interior angles. If it's a polygon with 20 sides, you'll be having 20x equals to sum of interior angles. If it's a polygon with 50 sides, you'll be having 50x equals to sum of interior angles. Does that make sense? Now let's solve another example, and in that example I'm going to take it step by step by step so that you can get it perfectly.